In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Google Drive folder to your computer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a folder from Drive, save it as a single file, and extract it so you can use everything offline. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive, then sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct Google account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles. Once you're in, take a moment to navigate to the folder you want to download. You can browse through My Drive or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. If the folder is in a shared location, confirm you have access to view it. Without permission, the download won't work. When you've found the folder, right-click it. From the menu that appears, choose Download. This tells Google Drive to prepare everything inside that folder for you in one package. Drive will start zipping the folder and all its contents into a single .zip file. Zipping is just a way of compressing multiple files and subfolders into one file so it's easier to download. You might see a small status notification in the corner of the screen saying it's preparing or compressing the files. The time this takes depends on the size of the folder and your internet connection. Large folders with lots of files, videos, or images can take a while. If your browser asks for permission to download multiple files, allow it so the process can continue smoothly. Once the zip is ready, your browser will begin downloading it automatically. When the download finishes, check your computer's default downloads folder. On most systems, that's a folder called Downloads in your user directory. If you've changed your browser settings, the file might be in a different location, or you may have been prompted to choose a save location. The file name will match your folder name with a zip extension at the end. Next, open the zip file and extract its contents to get the original folder and all its files. On Windows, you can right-click the zip and choose Extract All, then pick where you want the folder to go. On a Mac, double-click the zip and it will automatically create a regular folder in the same location. If you prefer, you can also drag files out of the zip window to another folder. That's it. You've downloaded the folder, unpacked it, and it's ready to use offline or organize however you like. If you run into errors, check your permissions, available storage space, and internet connection, then try again.